The Pixel 7a, Pixel Tablet, and much anticipated Pixel Fold will all be unveiled at Google's annual developer conference, Google I/O, which will be held on May 10th, only 3 days from now. In the past, Google has made product announcements long in advance of the event, and the Pixel Fold is no exception. In an official video, Google has unveiled the Pixel Fold, showcasing its appearance and announcing its name. To be quite honest, the phone in this video looks stunning, and the cover screen and back cameras seem incredible, better than what Samsung is doing with their Galaxy Fold range. The bezels, though, make everything seem less thrilling. It's amusing to watch people truly support this choice. Some individuals claim to even appreciate bezels these days. Maybe they are attempting to curry favor with Google in order to continue receiving review units, or perhaps they are ardent Google supporters. However, some claim that bezels make it easier for them to grasp the device. Since I've been using Samsung's Z Fold phones for so long, I have never believed that the device requires a larger bezel. Because of the phone's thin bezels, I've never had accidental touches or had any trouble opening or shutting it. I agree that a tablet-sized device needs bezels due to its size and weight. On this, please. The second defense they provide is that the front camera benefits from bezels since Google can integrate the camera into the bezels for a seamless appearance. The same cannot be said, once again, for the Pixel 7 Pro. I have yet to come across a single person who prefers a seamless appearance who wants a huge bezel on that phone rather than the punch-hole display. In all honesty, it seems like individuals are supporting this only for show. Large bezels on a phone in 2023 again scream inferiority. This phone is by no means inexpensive, which is why it doesn't have large bezels. With a price tag of $1,800, Google has no justification for giving us a device with such large bezels. In 2013, that might have been acceptable, but not in 2023. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.